Starting the video. I'm already started it. Oh, I got a ball. Nice. Another bolt. Sweet. A lot of lightning, guys. Yeah, you should have. Yeah, you see all the lightning out there? Yeah, you see all the lightning? Another bolt. Nice. We have 3 volts now. Pretty cool. Another bolt. Let's go. Quiet, please. Trying to video. Please be quiet so I can do this video. Just ignore her, guys. A 5th bolt. Nice. Take all the bolts that we can get. Right, everyone? I shouldn't have my X anymore. Turns into a jerk. Dude, Dad, you see all this lightning? Crazy, isn't it? 6 volts, let's go! Oh, yeah. That started way harder. Our downpour. Guys, welcome to thunderstorm season for 2022. A 7th bolt? Are you kidding me, dude? I'm loving all the bolts that I'm getting, guys. What? Did I get that one? I don't think I did. No record for 20 minutes, dude. I don't know if I can hang on the camera for that long. Crazy lightning with these storms. Everybody. Is that a hail? This is crazy. I got that one. That's two. That's 9 of them now. Let's go. And the wind is starting to pick up. Can we just go one weekend with getting along? I know it's very hard. We can find a way. I'm doing this. Oh, 10 volts. Let's go. This is the most volts, Dad. This is the most volts I've ever gotten on video. Isn't that cool? Oh, that's 11. So many volts this time, dude. We're only like on May, on the 13th of May. This is gonna be a fun summer with catching lightning on video. I always do it nowadays, you know, everyone. Very fun. It's the best thing I can do. Our 2019 was crazy with storms. Oh my gosh, is it gonna... Are we gonna lose power? Kelly, do you want to lose power? He just got said that because Dad said it, I guess. Holy crap, that's a good one. More of this Mother Nature, we love it. My fans love it. Now, you want to check the radar, Dad? You did? Oh, it's not gonna be that bad. It's sort of calmed down now. Dude. The winds are starting to pick up. Yeah, probably not get it. And it just said lightning is pretty close to us. Okay, one. Oh, and there's my 11th bolt. Let's freaking go, dude.
Wait, I want to see a bolt. I want to see a bolt.
Come on in here, Kayla. Come on in.
I want to see a bolt. Bolt.
Come on in. You can see 11 of them that I got already here.
Come on.
And look at the wind.
Oh my gosh.
I know. Crazy, isn't it?
Come on, bolt.
There it is. Yep, see, there it is.
Oh my gosh. That was cool.
Is it? I think this might be a strong thunderstorm. Let's see. You want to see another one?
I want to see two.
Show her another bolt.
3 in a row. 3 in a row. Let's go. 3 in a row.
Let's do it.
Right now. Set. Go. Oh. No.
Oh, no bolt, but lots of flashes.
No. Whoa, what are those ones that have like the little circle in the middle?
I don't know.
Like that one.
But the circle is probably where the ball where the flash is coming from, I guess.
It's all around us.
Yep. We're surrounded by thunderstorms.
Scoot up one.
Oh, sure. Okay. Guys, we're going up a stair.
See, another bolt. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bolt.
Oh, no. See, no bolt.
Duh.
10 minutes. I'm going to go for about another 5, maybe. I think Mother Nature loves that. I've got a video going. There it is. There's another one for you.
Yeah, one more. Let's do it right now. Let's see.
Come on, Mother Nature. Show us another bolt.
Let's count how many bolts we hit.
I've got 12 already.
No, let's.
Which is what's on your way, guys. Sorry about that.
No, let's.
Where's the camera?
Let's count how long it takes.
Oh, it's
One,
probably not going to take very long, I guess.
4, 5, 6,
5 of them.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, no, 13, 14,
There's,
15,
yeah,
16.
when you see the next flash, that's how far apart the storms are. When you see the next thing of thunder, when you hear the next thing of thunder, that's how you know. Right? I love it. Oh, that's 2 in a row. That's 14 I caught. Nice.
Yeah.
High five.
4. I saw them all the little ones.
Nice. Very good.
I caught 11. I got 14 as well. Yay! See if we can see more.
I'm trying to get a record for the amount of bolts I have
Oh.
on video. How about that? Should I do it?
Yeah. We should create our own channel.
We had a channel, but I had to take it down. I probably got erased all with all my other with my other channel. Oh, there's a big bolt right there. 15. Let's go.
15.
Yeah.
How many we can get in 3 minutes, right?
Well, I gotta end it around. Put it under my Jedi Whiteman Gamer channel. Says not with the gamers.
Subscribe to that channel. Whoa. Thunder. Oh, another one.
Is that our bolt?
Yep.
16. You see, the bolt is actually like a bolt.
Yep, that was a bolt. After that thunder.
16 then. That's a record for me, I think.
Woohoo.
Is that amount of time? Wow.
Another one.
That's just a flash.
Oh, that might be a bolt. Huh? 3. Ah.
They're not that far away from each other, you know.
It's like back and forth. Back.
Yeah, exactly right.
I'll see if any are over here. Oh!
And there's 17.
17.
We're going for a record here.
Careful on this.
I'm going for 20.
20. See? 19. Let's see. Can we beat 20? Come on, guys.
Come on, Mother Earth.
Get to 20.
Give me the 20 bolts, come on. Yeah!
Yeah,
18! Oh, is that 19? I think I saw another one. That might be 19.
No.
I think I saw another one right there. Alright, this is the last one, guys. I'm ending off the video. If there is another bolt before 15 minutes. Yeah. Please, come on. Hopefully there is. Come on. Did I see another one?
No.
I think I saw a little one.
No, not that.
Yes.
There you go. I saw it.
So another bolt.
Yep, saw another bolt.
I'm going for one more.
One more. 20. Let's see. 19. That was 19. So
Yes, the 20 has to be coming up soon.
20, 25.
There it is. I saw it. All right, guys. That's it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.